Yeah, I check the people. They bring food for.
Oh, so but is this lady feed the one about the and they come here?
Yeah, that's
So
why.
maybe just decide to feed them now. It's
Yeah.
feeding everything, no? This is a very nice spot, huh?
Yeah, of course. But it's nice because they keep the
Environment clean.
environment clean.
Yeah.
They bring food for for them.
It's nice. And it seems like they know the lady. You realize
Yeah,
they're
yeah.
not coming to
That's
us?
why. That's why they can. But they see they don't have nothing. We continue. Very big, huh?
I think they work train, huh? Can you make a video for me here?
Of course.
That's a nice TikTok video. I'll make a TikTok. Well, let me fix my pants. You know, my belly is getting so big, but my clothes are getting skinny. I'm confused. Okay, tell me when you're ready. Just put your face. Just put the face.
Yeah.
Yes, press in the face and keep holding it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Keep hold.
Let's go video in the birds. Stop it now, stop it. Hey, if Shelen was here,
Check,
she
check.
would kill us.
Of course.
I'm telling you.
Big face.
Yeah, I like this video. I'll make a TikTok video. Oh, it's wet.
Yeah, you can cut also. You can cut a video.
No, it's good. I like it. Michelle not sleeping and Michelle watching my status.